So we are at Hahn Rd. We've come quite a ways in on a really good road system, and this continues on. There's a really nice road that they keep mowed, and we are to a small cabin on the river, and we're gonna walk down there. So I don't have a key with me, but this is the inside of the cabin. There is a loft up there, steps to get up in there. I don't believe there's any plumbing. There is an outhouse. So this is the front of the cabin. I got LP tanks out here. It's got a stone fireplace on the other side. So here's the side of the cabin. It is wood siding. So this is the outhouse. And we're looking back at the cabin there. So the cabin is down around here. It's kind of steep by the cabin, which makes for a nice view, but I had to walk alongside down the trail a little bit to get down to a little more gradual way to get down to the river. But really nice river, creek here. The water's down quite a bit, so you can tell it's been a little bit more of a drier summer, but still beautiful. So there's areas where you could get down here. You could make a little nice swimming area. So there is a nice level path that comes in here. A little area where you can go down by the creek that's not so steep.